Okay, there's a woodpecker. I believe that's a Downey woodpecker on the Suet. We got a lot of woodpeckers on the Suet here. They got a lot of color to them, black and white, mixed up. I think God made them that way so the predators don't get them so much, like the hawks, etc. They stand out here, but when they're on the side of a tree, I don't think you can see them so well. We had a bit of a little bit of a snow last night. Just enough to about make the ground white. Now, he's eating quite a bit. They need it in this cold weather. Looks like he got a bill full there for a little takeout. And there he's going for now. So there you have it, folks. These birds are coming around in this cold weather. God bless.